Alright guys, you guys cleaning the roof.
Yep.
There you go, Larson cleaning the roof.
And
We gotta cut these mangoes off when it's over.
yeah.
I'm on the.
Kite's hanging on the tree on the house.
Yeah. So
Larson, did you get everything?
yeah, we are all.
Larson, there's more over there, dude.
And then there's
Underneath there.
Right here.
Under there.
yeah, we can.
You give it to Logie? How you got it?
We got it. And then
When it's a rainy season, guys, you gotta inspect the roofs. Make sure the roofs is good. Cause the hurricane season gonna come. Gotta make sure the roof is new and intact. And when the hurricane comes, we're good. Well, basically we have a new roof, so we're supposed to be okay for a couple years. Supposed to be okay for a couple years.
yeah.
Yep. So we good. We're supposed to be alright for now. Yeah, this roof is basically new. Morning, Mama.
Hi, Papi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Okay.
Did the mangoes fall over there? In the rain the other day? Alright, good. After it's over, I'm gonna cut the ones off over there, okay?
Okay.
That you ain't gotta clean up, mess up.
Okay.
Alright. That's a neighbor.
Yeah.
So we'll have to cut the mangoes that's hanging over our property later.
And guys, just in case, if you don't know what these are the like vents. You might want to check those just in case if you have anything in it that's like messed up. So,
That's connected to the bathroom, Larson. If there's a problem, that's where the plumber go and drop his snake. That's for the bathroom.
yep.
That's for the guest bathroom. That's for the laundry, and that's for the kitchen.
And then this is just
Logan.
oh, yeah.
And
It's kind of sketchy.
yeah. Oh, does this rock get there? Pick that rock up there you put up here.
Where?
I know the rock didn't fly up here.
Found another one.
Throw it off. Why you gotta throw it to the car or the truck, bro, dude? Huh?
I was gonna try to make.
What if you break a window?
Yeah, they can. You could die if you jump off that. No, like this. To like
Don't go close to the hedge. Somebody gonna fall off and bust their head. Don't, hey, come back this way. Don't go close to the hedge. Somebody gonna fall off and end up dead.
oh my god, there's yeah, that's what.
All right, guys. Now the roof is clean. Now the roof is checked. Now it's time to go back downstairs. Get our saddle on.
Yep.
And listen, you gotta check them out.
Make sure to subscribe, like, share everywhere, so that we can get more views. And follow us on TikTok and
Lodge Fam Vlog.
yep.
Follow us on TikTok at Lodge Family Lodge.
Peace. Yo.
All right, guys. Peace. See you in the next video.